Welcome back to AutoBuzz TV, your go-to destination for the latest innovations in the world of automobiles, where we spotlight the coolest machines on 3, 4, or even more wheels. If it's unique and has a motor, you'll see it here. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss our next buzzworthy feature. Today, we're diving into a futuristic blend of freedom, comfort, and compact design, the 2025 Trike RV Camper Tricycle. Yes, you heard that right. It's a trike, it's an RV, it's a camper, and it's here to flip the script on what solo and minimalist road travel can look like. At first glance, the 2025 Trike RV looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. But it's very real, and very clever. Designed for solo adventurers and eco-conscious nomads, this trike combines the maneuverability of a motorcycle with the living utility of a micro-camper. Think lightweight body, aerodynamic shell, and an electric drivetrain that delivers silent cruising with zero emissions. Let's start with performance. The 2025 Trike RV is fully electric, with a top speed of around 55 miles per hour, perfect for highway cruising or scenic byways. The battery gives you up to 150 miles on a single charge, depending on load and terrain. Regenerative braking helps extend that range, and charging is as simple as plugging into any standard EV outlet. Solar panels mounted on the roof provide an extra power boost, especially useful if you're off-grid. Now, onto what makes it truly revolutionary, the camper pod. The compact cabin includes a convertible sleeping platform, a mini sink with a water tank, and even a pull-out kitchenette with a single burner stove. It's like a Swiss Army knife on 3 wheels. There's room for one person to sleep comfortably and store basic essentials. Some versions even come with a pop-up roof for extra headroom and ventilation. Comfort isn't sacrificed either. The trike features ergonomic seating, a digital dashboard with navigation and battery stats, and a full climate control system powered by the onboard battery. Insulated windows and noise-dampening panels keep it cozy and quiet wherever you park. And let's talk safety. This isn't just a scooter with a tent. The 2025 Trike RV comes with LED headlights, rear cameras, lane detection sensors, and hydraulic disc brakes. It's road legal in most countries and is built with a reinforced chassis for added durability. This isn't just a fun gadget, it's a real solution for urban explorers, retirees looking to downsize, or even remote workers seeking mobile minimalism. With its mix of practicality, sustainability, and futuristic design, the 2025 Trike RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Thanks for tuning into AutoBuzz TV. If you're as intrigued by the 2025 Trike RV as we are, let us know in the comments. Would you take this on a cross-country adventure? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more incredible rides like this. Until next time, keep buzzing forward.